I've got a Peugeot here. It's just a bit confusing. Peugeots and Citroens are always confusing anyway. But this one here, it's got 7,000 RPM. Can you tell me whether this is diesel or petrol? I know what it is, but I'll show you other cars at the same time. Now I've got a Chery here. That's a 6,000 RPM, so this would explain it's a diesel. I've got an Audi out here, which got 6,000. Again, this would explain, and it's got the red marking there to explain it's a diesel. Now BMW. Got BMW here, which has got 6,000 again, 5,500 by the way. So, and it's got a red there as well at the same time. So this would explain this is a diesel. I've got a Vauxhall Zafira here. This one here is 6,000 as well, but you got the red mark there, which would explain it's a diesel. Got a Porsche here, which is 8,000 revs. So you can see the red markings there to explain this is a petrol. Diesel. That's Peugeot for you.